त्वं विशुद्धं शयते भवांसितो शरीरिणां शे उपायनं वपुः वेदक्रिया योग तपा समाधिभिः तवारणं येन जना समीहते. O Lord, during the time of maintenance, you manifest several incarnations, all with transcendental bodies beyond the metal modes of nature. When you appear in this way, you bestow all good fortune upon the living entities by teaching them to perform Vedic activities such as ritual ceremonies, mystic yoga, austerities, penance, and ultimately samadhi, ecstatic absorption of the thoughts of you. Thus, you are worshipped by the Vedic principles. So there are two main aspects here. One thing is that Krishna comes in transcendental bodies. कृष्ण जी आते हैं इस दुनिया में और उनका जो शरीर होता है अलौकिक होता है. And when he comes in this world, he exhibits wonderful pastimes. ठीक है? So first thing, Krishna comes, he belongs to the spiritual world. Supreme Personality of Godhead, and he comes down, therefore avatarati, he comes down to this world, and he comes to play wonderful pastimes with his intimate devotees. And the second point is that the people, when they see these wonderful pastimes, they learn from the Lord how to execute spiritual life in that age. Krishna teaches by an example. Just like Krishna personally took Guru, Sandipani Muni. There was no need for Krishna to take Guru, no? It's needed. Krishna was to get up in the morning at 3 o'clock. 3 बजे उठ जाते थे कृष्ण जी, 3 घंटे पहले सूर्योदय से. And he used to do spiritual activities, give charity, meditate on himself. He cannot meditate on anything, he is supreme, but meditate on himself. He is doing example. Sudama Brahman is coming, Krishna is getting up, receiving him with so much love. When Narad Muni is coming in palace, Krishna is receiving him. Every angle Krishna is showing by his example. Yadi yad achariti sheshta tat tat evataro janaha. Krishna is showing a personal example how one should behave. And by these activities gradually get purified and advance in spiritual life. So two things Krishna does. One thing we can say managerial, one thing is spiritual. Two aspects of a devotee life in a temple. One is managerial. I have to obey this, I have to do this, I am supposed to do this, I have been told to do this. And one thing is spiritual. The same way in the universe also there are two things happening, managerial and spiritual. So managerial, some people are miscreants, if they're doing something wrong activity, so Krishna comes down, corrects that. And spiritual. And when Krishna comes down, it comes down in a spiritual body. Spiritual, Krishna gives personal example. Krishna gives instructions how to practice spiritual life. But then, it looks very simple, but that's not the situation people are in. People hardly believe that God can interfere in anything. They don't even have faith He has power to correct anything. He can do whatever He wants. Nobody has faith. And not even faith that He can come at any time. Yesterday reading Gopi Gita, so the gopis are intensely praying to Krishna to appear. At that time, Krishna appears. And then he says, actually I was there. You could not see me, but I was watching you. I was seeing how intensely you are hankering for me. I was seeing that. So sometimes you are practicing spiritual life, you see, I am not seeing Krishna, but the fact is Krishna is seeing you. You may not be seeing Krishna, but Krishna is seeing you. He is seeing how sincerely you are calling out for Him. Because Krishna only deals in pure love and nothing less Krishna is interested in. Mishrit Bhakti, this Bhakti, that Bhakti, Krishna will not come. Because it's only controlled by pure love. And that you have to develop. Ahetuki apratihata. Without any cause and without any break. Intense love for Krishna. You have to cultivate that. Therefore, the platform of consciousness, Krishna consciousness achieved by the gopis, nobody achieved. Chaitanya Prabhu gave certificate. Ramya Kyachit Upasana Vrajavadhu. These gopis what they conceived as a devotion to Krishna. Nobody could even imagine that intense separation from Krishna every day. So Krishna therefore comes one side, we are doing activities in this world which are unproductive for spiritual development. So Krishna comes to curb those activities. Paritradaya sadhuna vinashaya dushkitam. This is external. But there is internal, spiritual reason why Krishna comes is for giving instructions by which we can gradually spiritually advance. Therefore we get an opportunity for spiritual advancement. Krishna does both of them together. And he does that out of affection. When Krishna comes to this world, he comes out of compassion. He has nothing to get here, nothing to achieve. We all have something to achieve in this world. Krishna does not have anything to achieve. So Krishna comes to this world out of compassion. Just like the jail. The king goes to the jail out of compassion. Oh, how are they? They are suffering. Is it everything all right? Are you okay? It's not that he is a pickpocket. He just comes to visit out of his affection. राजा जेल में क्यों जाता है? कुछ स्नेह से. उसको जेल में क्या मिलने वाला है? ठीक है, स्नेह से. अरे देखो आप लोग सब ठीक है, सब कुछ ठीक है. The same way Krishna comes to the jail to watch if everything is okay. The material world is fine. And he comes to correct. He is all competent, all powerful. Even though he has so many Devi Devatas taking care, but none of them have love like Krishna has a love for the living entity. So Krishna personally comes out of affection to see that is managerial and then spiritual. Krishna gives an example, Krishna gives personal instructions which we can follow. And as we follow those instructions, we can advance. Okay? Vita Raga Bhaya Krodha. As we advance in Krishna consciousness, what happens? Three things we become free from. What are the three things we become free from? We become free from attachment, unwanted desires. So as we are advancing, unwanted desires should go away. Raga Bhaya, of fear, so many kind of fear we have. What will happen? Krodha, anger, unnecessarily. So all the three things we become free from. So in life, there will be always some anxiety created. That's the nature of this world. Padam padam yat vipadam anatesham. This world is full of anxieties. But as these anxieties come, devotee welcomes them because he knows nothing has gone outside Krishna's control. And for me, these anxieties are an impetus to surrender to Krishna more. And as a test of my spiritual advancement. Because devotee, the most important point is devotee should always remember Krishna. सबसे important चीज़ है कृष्ण को हमेशा स्मरण करने का. तो जिंदगी में थोड़ा मुश्किल आता है तो आपको आपका स्मरण टेस्ट होता है उसमें. आपका स्मरण बढ़ने का और बढ़ने का. जैसे आजकल अभी सब लोग बात कर रहे हैं, कोरोना वायरस आ गया, बहुत लोग डर के नींद नहीं आ रही है. ध्यान रखने का. डर के नींद नहीं आ रही लोगों को बहुत. अरे मेरे को हो गया, छींक छींक के मर जाऊंगा. खांस के लोग मर रहे हैं, है ना. अभी नहीं, ऑलरेडी 25,000 मर गए, वो भी 60 देशों में. इंडिया में अभी 20-25 हुआ है, लेकिन बढ़ेगा, बढ़ सकता है. ना बढ़े इच्छा है लेकिन बढ़. तो लोग डर के मर रहे हैं. अरे क्या हो गया. और आप एक आपका सब्जी आता है या एक पैकेट आता है बाहर से, जस्ट छूने का उसको, बस हो गया, गया. तो ध्यान रखने का आपको सारा प्रिकॉशंस. श्रीधरा, मेक अ लिस्ट हाउ टू रिसीव एनीथिंग फ्रॉम आउटसाइड इंक्लूडिंग मेडिसिन. एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी रिसीव प्रॉपर्ली. डोंट बी स्टूपिड, देन यू हैव टू हैंडल द प्रॉब्लम. इट इज जस्ट वन पार्टिकल, दैट्स ऑल. एक पार्टिकल है प्रभु जी, डस्ट का एक पार्टिकल. सोच लो, छोटा सा वायरस. वेरी केयरफुल. जो बाहर से चीज़ आ रही है उसको डील करने के वीडियोस दिए हुए, समझ लो कैसे डील करना है, इंक्लूडिंग सब्जी, इंक्लूडिंग आपका कोई दवाई, उसका हाउ टू डील विद इट, कैसे छूना है, क्या करके छूना है. अदरवाइज एक सेकेंड में पर्सन बिकम्स, एंड एक आएगा बीमारी, 20 का 20 लोग हम सब बीमार पड़ जाएगा, खांस के फिर प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है. So anyway, we take physical care, but at the same time, we should lift ourselves on the spiritual platform. That is the test of our spiritual advancement. इतना विचलित हो गए कि जप नहीं कर पा रहे, आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम है अभी. Where is your spiritual advancement? We can take due care, but finally Krishna is in control ना. ये कैसे भूल गए आप? We can take care, but we are not in control. Who is in control? Krishna. So therefore, we should come on the spiritual platform. See, everything is moving by the will of Krishna. Nothing happened outside the permission of Krishna. Nothing can happen. Krishna is totally in control. ठीक है. So, but God help those who help themselves. We should also take care. Not that Krishna is in control, so I'll walk in the middle of the road. No, I should take care. At the same time, finally Krishna is in control. So we should take due care, and that is a test of spiritual advancement, that we don't forget Krishna. With all this, Vita Raga Bhaya Krodha, spiritual advancement means we become free from material desires. As we contact Krishna, as we hear about Krishna Leela, as we spiritually advance, we should become free from material desires. इंद्रिय भोग की लालसा इच्छा से मुक्त हो जाना चाहिए. भक्ति परेश अनुभवा विरक्ति. एक चीज. भया, fear, so much fear. अरे क्या होगा, मर जाएंगे लोग, मैं मर जाऊंगा. We should become free. क्रोधा, unnecessarily anger. Because you are frustrated, we become angry. ठीक है. Anger comes from frustration sometimes. So many sometimes come from unfulfilled desire. That is frustration, and we become. And we are angry at anything and everybody. ठीक है. So we become free. As we advance in spiritual life, we become free from raga, bhaya, krodha. Vita raga, bhaya, krodha, manamaya, mamupashada, bahuvo jnana tapasa, puta madhbhava magata. Therefore, purified persons, they come to Krishna's lotus feet. So Krishna is not leaving the world like that. He is going to interfere. So he interferes in giving wonderful pastimes in this world. He interferes in giving guidance for us to come back to him. He is always active. And whenever we take any step in spiritual life, we are chanting Hare Krishna. Krishna is watching. Generally, he watches like Upadishta. There's noting activity. But when you become devotee and chant with love, Krishna is then watching very personally. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki.